Hello everybody, Albanidis Konstantinos here, and I would like to show you in a very short video how you can adjust and add a YouTube video to your LeadsLeap page. As you know, to LeadsLeap you can create unlimited pages with a very easy to use page builder. To this page builder you can select but at the same time you can create your own template with your own background and everything. Okay, this video is focused on how we can add a YouTube video. We have added a row over here, and here we want to add a nice YouTube video. We select the add custom code element, and the custom code element is added over here. If we open it a little, we're gonna see that here we can add some code. Here there are some buttons that they add the ready code. So if we want to add the YouTube video, we just click on YouTube video, and the only thing we have to do is to go to our YouTube video. Let's see here, I'm going to this one, and we have to copy the last code of the link. Okay, it's the last part of the link. You see here, that's the last part of the link. I just copy this part, and I go back here, and I just delete the default one after the slash and the embed. You see, I just delete it until the question mark, and paste the my code. Okay, now we're gonna see that my video is gonna be ready to play. So I just opened the video to show to the whole section. You see, it looks very nice, and I'm gonna just adjust the section to be just like that, to be ready and nice. Okay guys, thank you very much, and ladies of course, thank you very much for watching this video. I guess that's a very easy way to add the video, and I just want to note that as you can see over here to the notes, you can't have the video autoplay and unmute. You can have the video autoplay but with a mute, and you can't have the video autoplay with sound, because that's a restriction from the browsers. So following the rules, we just can let the video autoplay, and it's a mute. So when somebody wants to unmute the video, just clicks on the video, and everything, the sounds works normally. That's the correct way, so that somebody that watches the video to select if they want the sound or not. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. You're gonna see many interesting videos about affiliate marketing, about WordPress, and Elementor, that I love it. That's another great page builder. About Quicks, that's another page builder, and of course about the Fluent CRM, that it's a perfect tool. Thank you very, very much, and wish you the best. I'll see you to the next video. Bye.